Hi, it's Immobiliser Fit. Today I've secured this 2019 Civic Type R with a Starline i96 Pro Immobiliser. So if the customer's phoning the vehicle, all they do, foot on the brake, start the vehicle up, hear a melody, and they can drive away. If the customer's phone's not present when they go to start the vehicle, so we'll just turn the Bluetooth off to demonstrate that. So the customer's Bluetooth's off, phone's out of range. A thief obviously hops in, closes his key, tries to drive away. It starts up, but as soon as they go to drive off, the vehicle switches off. Okay. For instances where the customer's phone isn't obviously present, so they're out one day, their phone's gone flat, and they obviously need to get home, they don't have a charger, start the vehicle up, go through their disarm code using the steering wheel buttons. In this case we've set it as 1, 2, 3. Hear an audible melody, and now the vehicle can be driven.
Please release the parking brake. Please depress the brake pedal to release the parking brake.
If the customer wants to change the code on this vehicle, obviously the push sequence we've set is very simple at 1, 2, 3 of the same single button. But this can be a combination of any buttons in any order between 3 and 21 presses. And the way you change that is first ignition on, disarm the system, get our disarm tone. Now press any button 5 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Cycle the ignition off, back on, we'll get 5 bleeps and it'll be ready to learn. Here we go, so we'll just change it to down, up, up, down. We'll wait for a confirmation. Repeat that again, down, up, down. Wait for the same confirmation. There we go, now the code's learned. So now in instances where the customer's out and obviously their phone's dead, they need to get the vehicle home, or if they don't want to use the phone, they just want to stick to buttons, start the vehicle up, enter the disarm code. Got our disarm tone, and now we can drive the vehicle. Also, if the customer wants to take this for a service, this can be put in service mode in one of 2 ways. So the first way is through the button, so ignition on, disarm it with the code, receive our disarm tone. Now press any button 11 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Ignition off, back on. Two bleeps, and now this is in service mode. So if Honda need to road test this for any reason, when it goes to them, it will start up, act like a normal car, and they can move it around.
Please depress the brake pedal to release the parking brake.
And the vehicle won't stall.
Please release the parking brake.
The other way to do this is hop into the app, go into the Starline key app on your phone, make sure it's connected up to the vehicle. On here you'll have a green circle, press and hold on here, it will spin round, go to yellow. When it goes to yellow, release. There we go, and that's also in service mode if you don't want to use the buttons. When you get it back and you want it protected, do the same thing in reverse. We'll go to green. Release, 2 bleeps, and it's protected again. If you want to secure your vehicle, we're Immobiliser Fit, and this is the i96 Pro we've installed on a 2019 Civic Type R. Number to us is 0208 212 7393. Thanks for watching.